Children, in the previous session, we started the textbook activities of the lesson, the three butterflies, isn't it? So, in that, we completed till page number 6. Right now, children, have you done this main in your homework book? Hope you all did this. So, next, we will continue the next main of the textbook activity, that is in the page number 7, 8th main. Complete the following words using suitable letters given below. Using suitable letters given below. Which are the letters they given here, children? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are called what? Vowels. All of you remember that, no, children? Yes. A, E, I, O, U are vowels. So we have to use these letters and then complete these words. So which is the suitable letter to use in that place? We can check it now. First one. Which word this, children? Can you identify this word? S-N-S-H-N-E. Yes, it is sunshine. Sunshine. What is the spelling we required here? In the first box, sun. S-U-N. Sun. Shine. Shine. S-H-I-N-E. Shine. Next. What is the next word, children? Yes, it is shelter. Shelter. S-H-E. Shelter. A. The sound of that letter E is A. Shelter. Again E. S-H-E-L-T-E-R. Shelter. Next word. Across. Across. Which letter comes here? O. Next, fourth one. What is this word, children? How was that three butterflies live in the garden? And in the time of rain, they were united. They live so united, right? United means together. United. United. Next. CH-SS. When Sun heard everything about the three butterflies, afterwards what it decided, children? Sun decided to chase the clouds, isn't it? So the word is chase. Spelling of that word? C-H-A-S-E. Chase. Shall we move on to the next main? Here they given, say them aloud after your teacher. It means I'll read it once. So after me, you will also repeat that, children. I plus will. This is the expanded form, or these are two words. We have to write these two words in single word in the short form. We have to write these kind of words or expanded form of words into short forms. So in short forms, we use apostrophe. In the middle of the word, we can use apostrophe, and then we will remove some letters from the expanded form or the second word of the given word. Look at here. I plus will, it becomes I will. I will. We have to read this short form also, I will, but we didn't write W-I-L-L will here. Instead of W-I, we have to put apostrophe. I apostrophe L-L. It says I will. This is the short form, children. So this word should be right in the expanded form like this. I plus will means I will is equal to I will. Using apostrophe, we have to write them in the short forms. We will is equal to we will. Again, we remove W-I. Instead of these two letters, we use apostrophe. Next, I have is equal to I apostrophe V-E. This also we can read I have. This is the short form of I have. This is the writing form of short form of I have. So here also we removed HA. Instead of HA, we are adding apostrophe. We have. Again we can remove HA. Instead of that, we are adding apostrophe. We have. I am. Here just we remove A. Instead of A, we can write apostrophe. I am. I plus would or had. Look at these words, children. So in the form of would or had, when we going to write these words into short forms, so both the words comes like the same. I apostrophe D. I apostrophe D refers, sometimes it's I would, sometimes it's I had. It's depend upon the sentence, children. It depends upon the sentence and the situation of the sentence. Okay. I would. Where we use I would use in the future form. Okay. Future tense form. But I had, it's in the past tense form. Okay, children. So read the sentence first, and then you can understand the sentence, it's in which form. Then you have to write the short form or expanded form which is necessary. Okay, I plus would, I would, or I plus had, I had. Wherever it's necessary, we can add that. We plus would or we plus had. We had, we would. For both, we can write apostrophe D only. Okay. Would or add. Instead of these two words, we just write apostrophe D. Do you understand this, main children? Regarding that, we have an exercise below that. Now, complete the following words and copy them in your notebook. So, first you can do it in your textbook itself. Afterwards, when I send the PDF file, then you have to copy that into your notebook. Okay. Now you have to do it in the textbook only, children. He plus will is equal to, anybody? Look at here. I plus will is equal to I will. What we did here? We remove WI and then we add apostrophe instead of WI. Similarly, he plus will, he will. So how to write in the short form? As it is he, we can write. Okay. The second word, in the second word we should remove WI. Instead of WI, we put apostrophe and LL. We add apostrophe and then write LL. Next, she plus dash is equal to she will. So apostrophe LL, it refers what? Will. So we can write in this dash she plus will. She plus will is equal to she will. Right, children? Yes. Next, they plus will. They plus will, they will. So the first word we have to write as it is, and then put apostrophe, then double L. Just we remove WI. Next, you have. So how you write in the form of a short tense form? Short form. As it is you have to write. Instead of have, just we can take apostrophe, then VE. Apostrophe VE. It refers have. Again, they have. Same thing. We can write the first word as it is, put up apostrophe and then VE. They have. Next, she plus dash is equal to she is. She is. Here also, look at in the last main, children. I plus would or had. How should we use would or had? Instead of these two words, we used apostrophe D only. Similarly, here apostrophe yes. Apostrophe yes. It refers is and also has. Apostrophe S refers is or has. When we require is, we can use she is. When we require has, it means when she possesses something with her, then we use has. So like that, here we have to write both that, children. She or she is or has. Is or has. ಇದು ಎರಡಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಾಸ್ಟ್ರಫಿ ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. Do you understand, children? So in the same way, he plus dash he is or he has. Again, apostrophe yes is here. Apostrophe yes refers is or has, both. So that we have to write here both the words. Okay. Then the last one, it plus has, it has. Again, we have to write the first word as it is. Instead of as, we have to write apostrophe yes. How should we come in the 6th and 7th lines? Similarly, we have to write in the 8th one. Okay. It plus is, if it comes it plus is, then also we have to write it is in the same way. Means it apostrophe yes. This is the short form of it is or it has. It comes for both. Okay. Shall we move on to the next one, children? Make words with the help of the pictures given. One is done for you. So here they are given two pictures in each line, children. We have to identify the pictures and using that pictures we have to make a word. Okay. So what is the first one already they given? That is butterfly. It means first picture says butter. Then in the same line another picture it is fly, means house fly. So butterfly. Together we can write butterfly. We can get some other word or we can make a new word from the given pictures. Isn't it, children? Similarly, second one, what is this? Star plus what is this? Fish. What do we get next? Starfish. Yes? Shall we write, children? Starfish. Next, what is this picture, children? Yes, it's a lady. Lady plus what is this? This is bird. What do we get the new word? Lady bird. Shall we write it, children? Lady, L-A-D-Y, lady bird, B-I-R-D, lady bird. Next one, what is this? It's a pea. Peas. Batani kalugal kelidira? Yes. So this is pea. And what is this? cock, right? It's a male hen, right? So we can call this as cock. Peacock. It becomes peacock. Peacock. Next, what is this? House. Then fly. What do we get next? House plus fly. House fly. House fly. Then the last one. Honey plus bee. Together we get honey bee. Honey bee. Finished, children? Last main. Wow, there is a picture, but it's only half picture they given in the box, children. What we have to do then next? Complete the drawing of the butterfly. Use each box to draw a mirror image of the part that is already drawn and color the butterfly. So here half of the butterfly pictures they given in the left portion. Similarly, mirror image means right side we have to draw the same image and then we complete the butterfly picture. Afterwards we can color the butterfly. Will you do this, children? From which line to which line they given? They draw the lines. Same thing you have to draw in the right side boxes also. Then you get same image or same proper shape of the image you can get, children. Okay, draw like this. And complete the drawing. Color the picture afterwards. Will you do this, children? All these shapes also you can draw in the right side and then finish it off. Okay. So if you completed this, your first lesson textbook activity also be complete, children. Shall we continue in the next class? Okay, thank you. Before that, you can finish this drawing or complete this drawing and then color it, children. Thank you.